Hello viewers, I'm here again,
Subscribe.
video. This one is a little bit different. It's a repair video of a edge trimmer. So we get right in the video. It's gonna be kind of live, so not much editing in this video. Sorry. So here is it. So here we have the parts. Show you fast. This is the body. Both sides, the motor, the blade, a guard, a trigger, and safety thing, the tools over here. So now we move right into the video. So first you're gonna take, this is one of the screw holes. One of the screw holes, I take it. I'm gonna start with this piece first. We're gonna take the motor and we're gonna put the shaft right here inside this hole for the blade. It's gonna fit right in. Just give a look at thing that. Alright. The groove, we put it right down in the groove. Very easy. There you go, make sure it can move freely. It's also an electronic one. And so this is the plug area, put it right here. Make sure nothing in the way to get pinched, so you get shots in the future. It's right here like that, going very fast. This is the trigger. There's a hole here to put it inside like this. Turn it around, put it down in the groove. Also, this is the safety one. Put the spring down first, put it right in the place. Like align this spring, this area, like that. So there I have it so far. Then now we put this one on top, just making sure everything is in order, nothing is in the way. Alright. So then I put this piece over. Okay, so this is how you to plug it in. There's a plug here. You put your plug inside, plug it in here, and then you put the wire like this through this hole at the back, put it down inside this hook like this, so and then that's firm and nice, so you don't worry about it plugging out each time when you're moving around. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna give a test to show you how it works. Okay, now I'm gonna test to cut it on this piece of what call this one? Piece of thing. It's my test of it. There I go. Alright, let's go. This is how it sounds. You hold like this, and you have the safe thing. You press this back. You cannot squeeze the trigger without you press this back first. You press this back and it works like that. Okay, let's go now. Quick. there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, review about this, what you think about this video, and what you think about the Black & Decker TR116 16-inch. Thank you.